Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Remote Play on your iPhone to play your PlayStation 5 or even your 4 games. So this is easy to do. Now, we first want to locate the App Store on our iPhone and select it. Then go to search in the bottom right and type in PlayStation. And we're going to look for two different applications. We want the PlayStation app as well as the PlayStation Remote Play app. So download both of these. You can see PS app on the top and then PlayStation Remote Play on the bottom. And then once we download both of these, open up the PlayStation app. This one right here. It looks like I need to update it. And after I quickly update it, I should be able to open it up. But we can launch PlayStation Remote Play through this one app right here. Sign in with your username, your email address, and your password, and you should be able to log in and then see your friends list if you swipe on down. But on the bottom here, let's go to the fourth option, and this will be your game library. So you can see all the different options right here on the bottom. We want to go to the game library under here. Then locate a game you want to play. So Astro's Playroom is a game I really enjoy. If you go to the game page, you can see on the middle of the screen it says Play on Console, or underneath that it says Play using PlayStation Remote Play. Simply just tap that. It says starting the game on PlayStation Remote Play. Now, if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PlayStation 5, well, you should be connecting it and you should be discovering it really easy. So just go to the same Wi-Fi and connect to it as your PlayStation 5, and it should automatically detect your PlayStation. Now, if you're trying to do this like over your mobile hotspot or whatever, well, you can do on the go. You just have to type in a specific code that will pop up on your PlayStation. So be near it, and you'll have to type in maybe like a 6-character code. And then once you type that in, you should be able to go anywhere in the world and then connect back to your PlayStation. So I'm in the Philippines right now, and my PlayStation's in the United States. So I'm probably not going to be able to connect to it because the latency is like 300 milliseconds. But it says starting game on PlayStation, and it'll bring up the entire game on my screen, and then I'll have on-screen controls. So since my latency is like 300 milliseconds, it's probably not going to work. But I do have the option to do that. So if I was in like maybe Canada and I was in Florida, well, I would be able to do that with a lower latency of like 100 milliseconds. It wouldn't be too bad. Now, you're going to have to test this out to see if some first-person shooters aren't going to work, but make sure you have good internet. Everything is hardwired on the PlayStation 5 end, and you should be able to play without too much frustration in terms of just input delay. But just come to this section and it should work. I've used this. I like it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.